Hey everyone! Whether you're an experienced Photoshop user or just getting started, this video is exactly what you need. Finding high-quality design resources can be toughy, but not anymore. Today, I'm sharing 10 top websites where you can download free Photoshop resources, brushes, textures, mockups, PSDs, actions, and more. Let's count down from 10 to 1. Number 10. Brusheezy. Tons of Photoshop brushes, watercolor, smoke, fire, grunge, and more. Also includes patterns, gradients, and PSDs, no sign-up needed. Website, brusheezy.com. Number 9. DeviantArt. A creative community where artists share free resources. Search for grunge textures or free PSD and discover unique content. Website, DeviantArt.com. Number 8. Textures.com. Perfect for realistic textures like concrete, metal, wood, and fabric. Free users get daily download credits. Website, textures.com. Number 7. GraphicBurger. Clean, high-quality mockups for posters, packaging, cards, and more. Great for portfolio or client work. Website, GraphicBurger.com. Number 6. Pixelbuddha. Trendy brushes, text effects, icons, and UI kits. The free section is updated regularly. Website, Pixelbuddha.net. Number 5. Freepik. Huge library of PSDs, vectors, icons, and patterns. Free items need attribution, but quality is excellent. Website, Freepik.com. Number 4. Pixeden. Elegant mockups and design kits for branding and print, clean, professional templates. Website, Pixeden.com. Number 3. Subtle Patterns by Toptal. Lightweight, seamless patterns for clean web and app backgrounds. Website, toptal.com/designer/subtle patterns. Number 2. DesignBundles. Weekly free packs, fonts, SVGs, logos, brushes, and more. Just sign up and start downloading. Website, designbundles.net/free-design-resources. Number 1. PhotoshopSupply. Quick Photoshop tools add brushes, text effects, and actions. Beginner-friendly and easy to use. Website, PhotoshopSupply.com. Final words. That's it to 10 golden websites to upgrade your Photoshop workflow with free, high-quality tools. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment your favorite site, subscribe for more design tools and tips. Need extras? Let me know if you want. YouTube thumbnail, subtitle says RT, video description with links, PDF cheat sheet. I'm happy to help.